This is the ideal method for connecting flow in the future state.
What is continuous flow?
The term Toyota uses for value stream mapping is this.
What is material and information flow mapping?
The maximum elapsed time from client request to ticket issued in this value stream map is this.
What is 290 minutes?
What is 31 days?
To identify families of products before mapping, use a matrix that includes these two dimensions.
What are products and operations or processes?
In a lean value stream there should be one scheduling point. This point produces to the beat of the customer.
What is the pacemaker or pace setter?
A typical value stream plan runs out to this many months.
What is 12?
A lean value stream should distribute work evenly over time, called this in Japanese.
What is Hijunka?
A lean future state value stream should be running to this time.
What is takt time?
These two metrics are most commonly used as summary metrics for a value stream map.
What are value creating time and lead time or turnaround time?
Future state maps should connect flow with either continuous flow or one of these two types of pull systems.
What are replenishment pull or sequenced pull? Also known as Type A and Type B, respectively.
Thanks. That is our show for today.